Meet the sunflower sea star, a terrifying predator with up to 24 arms that could hold the key to saving our planet's kelp forests. A new study from UC Santa Cruz shows these massive sea stars scare off sea urchins, helping kelp thrive again. Conducted by undergrads diving off Alaska's coast, this discovery could spark a comeback for these vital ecosystems. Let's dive into this underwater adventure. Kelp forests off the coast of Sitka, Alaska have been devoured by hungry sea urchins, turning vibrant ecosystems into underwater deserts called urchin barrens. But a team from UC Santa Cruz, led by Professor Christy Kruker, wondered, could sunflower sea stars save the day? These massive predators, with up to 24 arms and a knack for scaring urchins, were put to the test in a clever experiment. Undergrads trained in scientific diving set up cages on the ocean floor, some with sunflower sea stars, others empty. They tied kelp blades nearby to see if urchins would eat them. After just 24 hours, red sea urchins stayed about 6 feet away from the sea star cages, too spooked to munch the kelp. But green sea urchins? They chowed down fearlessly. This shows red urchins sense the sea star's presence, maybe their scent, and steer clear. Kelp forests are the rainforests of the ocean. They're home to thousands of marine species, from rockfish to abalone, and generate an estimated $500 billion a year for the global economy. Think toothpaste, salad dressings, even pharmaceuticals. But since 2013, a double whammy hit. A wasting disease wiped out sunflower sea stars along the west coast, and kelp forests in California and Oregon vanished as urchin populations exploded. Without sea stars to keep urchins in check, kelp forests struggled to recover. Current restoration methods, like divers manually removing urchins, are labor-intensive and costly. But this study suggests just having sea stars around could naturally deter red urchins. What makes this study extra special? It was led by undergraduate students in UC Santa Cruz's Marine Ecology Field Quarter. Diving in the cold waters off Sitka, Alaska, they designed and ran the experiment across 3 urchin-dominated sites, setting up pairs of cages 60 to 100 feet apart. Lead author Ray Mancuso said it was a privilege to contribute to kelp forest restoration through hands-on science. This discovery is a beacon of hope. Reintroducing sunflower sea stars could be a game-changer for kelp forest recovery, especially if they deter purple urchins too. While challenges remain, like scaling up sea star populations without disease, it's a promising, low-effort strategy compared to manual urchin culling. Plus, it shows how young scientists are driving real-world solutions for our oceans. Sunflower sea stars might just be the heroes our kelp forests need. This UC Santa Cruz study shows their landscape of fear could restore vital ocean ecosystems. Follow #KelpForests and sea stars on social media for updates, and check the description for links to the study. Are you rooting for the sea stars to save our kelp forests? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more environmental breakthroughs. Thanks for watching, and let's help our oceans thrive. Together, we can support the comeback of these incredible underwater forests.